everybody, welcome back to Learn and Play with Serena. So today we're gonna go on a field trip today, and I wonder where we're going today. But my family asked me to get ready, so we're gonna get ready to go on the field trip. Outside. It's so beautiful, and look at this unicorn mask. It's so pretty, guys.
Are you excited? Idea where we're going?
It's fun.
Yeah, but they know where.
Have I been there before?
Whoa. I think so. Right here.
Oh.
Oh, what? Do you have idea now?
Yeah.
This was. But now.
Oh, wait, the strawberry patch. Excited!
You're gonna be picking
strawberries. We're gonna pick strawberries today. Let's find some strawberries. Oh, here's Guys, did you know the best strawberries are in March? That is strawberry season. Wait, hold on. Hey guys, you want to do a contest? How many strawberries me and you pick? Okay, we're gonna do it.
Go.
Oh my god, look! It's a strawberry family! This one, and this one.
Careful, there's a bee. It's okay. It's okay.
I've had a lot of strawberries so far.
think you're winning, Zarina.
I have a lot of strawberries, guys. Look. how
You're
many-
winning.
Yeah, I'm winning.
Hi, Miles. I think Zarina's winning. She's picking everything.
Where? Get it?
I'm winning. The girl team are winning right now. Dad! 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 Now I'm gonna come to you.
She wants to show you.
Look!
Whoa.
Look who won!
I won!
Yep.
Oh my god!
Show me, Zarina. Woo.
Hey everybody, I'm back home and look at all of these strawberries I got. One is Miles and one is mine. The most strawberries are mine and we actually did a competition there and I won. It was like a competition, whoever gets the most strawberries is the winner and I got the most strawberries. Did you know that strawberries are the only fruit that have seeds on the outside? And it contains more vitamin C than oranges. And also, did you know strawberries are the member of a rose family? It's interesting, guys. And in a little while, I will show you a dessert that will be made of this. Okay, so guys, I promised a while ago that we were gonna make a strawberry dessert that's made of the strawberries that we picked today. sharing my mom's recipe. And it's really easy to make. You can make it on your Thanksgiving dinner. So we're gonna make strawberry sopapilla cheesecake. So these are the strawberries from a while ago. And it's with jam. My mom made my strawberries into strawberry jam. So we need cinnamon, vanilla, crescent dough, cream cheese, sugar, and the strawberry jam. So the first thing we're gonna do is roll out the dough to this tray. So it's so big, we're gonna cut it in half. When we roll this, we're gonna put it to the side and then make a filling. So this is the cream cheese. We're gonna put this in the bowl. Okay, next is the sugar. So this sugar is in this measuring cup. So we need 1/2 cup of sugar. Then we mix it. And then we mix it until the sugar dissolves. So we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So we mix the filling and we're gonna put it in here. So we have to spread this evenly. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pour the strawberry jam. Now we cover the whole thing with strawberry jam. We're gonna put the other dough we cut a while ago here. Now we're gonna brush this melted butter right here. So we're gonna add the cinnamon to the sugar right here. 3, 2, 1, pour. Whoa! Mix the cinnamon and sugar together. So next thing, it's super fun. So next thing, we have to sprinkle it with our hand. Let's do it. So we're all done putting cinnamon on here. So we're gonna bake this in the oven for 30 minutes. Okay, so hi guys, we're back and it's test time to see if this is delicious or not. All right, it's taste time. Let's taste it. Wow, it's so good. I can taste the strawberry and the cream. So much cream. So I recommend you can make it for Thanksgiving dessert too. One more trivia before we end. Did you know that strawberries have 200 seeds even when you count them? I hope you had a fun going to the strawberry patch with me and making this dessert out of the strawberries that I made. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to my videos to reach to 100 subscribers or 1,000 or 1K or 100K. So bye everybody. See you again in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and see you again next time here at Learn and Play with Zarina.